Greetings again, everyone. This is a short video, but a very important one. Since my making the video, the first one I put out, I think yesterday or the day before, the situation has escalated in respect of what you would call, I guess, some form of retaliation. And there is a very dangerous situation unfolding in regards to innocent people. I mean, I come with this video with a heavy heart. I'm kind of a proud person. I haven't made videos for a while because I've been addressing it on my own, but it's got to the point where it's serious. It's very, very dangerous. These people are hell-bent on harming, maiming innocent people. I've been to the police about it. I've been to various different groups, organizations that deal with domestic terror and stalking and harassment. Sorry, there's some motorbikes going past. And my aim has been to get restraining orders because these people need to be restrained. Now, the only way I can see at this point that will be achieved is if there is a public outcry. People's lives are at risk, not just my own life, but members of the public's life is at serious risk. I warned people before Grenfell, I warned people before 7/7, and I'm coming to warn you people now, you good people of the world. There is a situation that is unfolding. It's a criminal network. It's very ritualistic. I would say there is a satanic element to it. Clearly there is a very malevolent element, and clearly that this is some sort of game that they're playing with people's lives. And the only way that these people will stop is when you good people say enough is enough. So I'm coming with a warning and urging you to get this video out. There is a criminal network operating in the UK. I don't care what they call it, I don't care what the name of these cartels are. I don't really care. Basically, my concern is for the lives, my own life and the life of others. Innocent people who have done no harm to anyone else, who are in serious danger right now. I've expressed this to the police, the Metropolitan Police. I've expressed it to a number of other people. And so now I'm bringing it to the public because you have the capacity to make some serious noise. Now, there is a report that is an old report now, but it highlights the foundations of what I have experienced for the last 19 years, and it will give you, those of you who have an investigative nature, some background into what is going on here. So what I'm asking you is, I'm flagging this up because I am concerned. There are people playing nasty games with people's lives right now. I've witnessed on a number of occasions in the last 24 hours, 48 hours, people rocking into a public space, usually Caucasian, but not always. There was one guy that wasn't, and leaving packages and then going out without the package, leaving it in the bathroom or whatever. And I've seen this happen a few times now. Now, that is indicative of them making it clear that they intend to do something deadly to people. So I'm coming as a warner with a heavy heart. It's not easy what I'm doing. I haven't slept for 24 hours because of the nature of this cartel, this criminal network. I don't know what it will take to make these people aware that you don't have the right to terrorize and harm innocent people. But this is what we're dealing with, unfortunately. So I don't want this video to be too long because I need you guys to get it out and make people aware that I'm giving you a warning. The people involved: Richard J. Hanna, Helen Alexander, Tamsin Allen, Jeffrey Beinman, Christopher Gossage, David English, Miles Langan, Mark Waddell, Derek Rosenblatt. A lot of these names are from law firms, from media houses, and they're part of this syndicate. I sued them many years ago now, and I won, and they covered it up. And because there is culture of protecting the criminal and neglecting the victims, this has gone on, with my knowledge, for the last 19 years. So I'm bringing it to the world's attention. My name is Seven, I'm from London. There is a report, the farrellreport.net. You can go onto that website and get to see the names of the people involved. But I need everybody to sound the alarm as fast as possible. Please stay safe, people. Prayers are necessary. Those of you who are spiritually orientated, please make prayers for these people to recognize that you can't keep harming people and thinking it's okay to do so. It's not okay. It's not okay to abuse other people. Even if you're in a position of power, it's not okay to do that. Okay, so I'm signing out. As I said, I haven't had sleep in 24 hours. I've had to move from place to place to place. And, it's been a weight on my shoulders. I can only thank God and the Most High Divine Forces for keeping me strong. And I want to thank all of you who have sent beautiful comments and messages. Thank you. Spread the word fast, far and wide, to protect everybody from this cartel. As long as they are doing it in concealment, they will continue. It's only when you good people make some noise to recognize that this situation has to come to an end, that it will come to an end. Much love, people. Seven from London. Peace out.